these machines are destined. Are they're going to Ghana, yeah?
Yeah, going to Ghana.
So obviously I've seen you've obviously been down here today to watch it be loaded.
Yeah.
So are you all happy?
I'm very happy about Westermans, honestly. When I came in the morning, honestly, the way you served me, it cannot be expressed in words, honestly. Especially towns going to pray, how patient you are, how firstly when I came you took me around. Westermans is not this is a company to sell, they are also to teach and to explain things, you know. So I would advise each and everyone, especially to buy from Westermans. Honestly, from the way I've seen today, the packaging, even like a lot. The work that shippers will do, they will do for you. You are safe. Your machines are safe with Westermans. My machines has been here for about nearly 7-8 months.
As long as that.
It's been well kept, well cleaned, and how they stripe it. Honestly, I'm very impressed.
Thank you very much.
I don't think it will take me long to come back and to advise my friends back over there, and especially the people over here. Especially they are the best when it comes to welding equipment.
Lovely. All right. So, but thanking you.
All right.
So, and obviously hope we will see you again.
Definitely.
Lovely.
100%.
Thanking you.